Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an adjustment layer so edits stay reversible. Next, open the Curves panel and decide whether to work on RGB or a single channel. Choose RGB for global toning or red/green/blue to target color casts. Place baseline anchor points at the extreme corners to lock black and white. Then add 3 practical control points: a shadow, a midtone, and a highlight. Once done, slightly nudge midtones, first to see global impact, before refining shadows or highlights. Now you shape the tonal response. You'll usually aim for a gentle S-curve. Pull the shadow point down and push the highlight point up to increase contrast while protecting midtones with a soft anchor. For color balance, work on individual channels. If highlights are too cyan, nudge the blue channel down or lift red. You're counteracting the cast. Make small, iterative moves and continuously toggle the layer visibility to compare. Also check clipping indicators and adjust points to preserve highlight and shadow detail. Finish by refining where the curve applies. Add a mask to the adjustment layer and paint to restrict changes to problem areas such as skies or skin. Once you're satisfied, step back, toggle comparison, and reduce layer opacity for a natural result. Switch the blend mode to luminosity if saturation misbehaves. If you encounter unexpected color shifts, don't panic. Check which channel was edited, invert the mask if needed, and make micro adjustments rather than large swings. This preserves texture and prevents posterization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.